In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Discord polls and block Discord polls completely on your server. So Discord has just rolled out this new update where you can actually create polls by pressing plus over here inside the server and then pressing create a poll, as you can see. However, the problem is that on some servers, this has become a major issue since people have started spamming this and using polls all the wrong ways. So I'm going to show you how to disable Discord polls in your server. And what you have to do, this is very simple, okay? You have to add in a bot, a Discord bot, which will allow you to kind of whitelist people which you would like to give the permission to create polls to, and kind of prevent those you don't want to make polls from doing so. So what you want to do is hop onto Google and type in TopGG, which is a very popular website where you can find Discord bots. And you want to go inside here, and then simply up here where it says search for the top bots, type in poll blocker. And as you can see, it's the first bot that pops up. What you want to do is simply click on invite over here once you're on the bots page, and then you want to select the server. So in my case, this is my server. You want to press continue, scroll down and press authorize. Then you want to kind of confirm you are human. So click on this check over here, and there we go. Poll blocker has been successfully added to your Discord server, and as you can see, it's over here on the left, and it says glad you're here poll blocker, so it's been added to the server. And now if I want to create a poll, and mind you, I'm the owner of the server and everyone else has kind of the same permission, so they won't be able to create it once this is in there, and I want to create a poll. Let's say I want to just spam it in, press post. As you can see, it posts for a split second but then gets removed and says the instant how to, you're not allowed to create polls in this server. And then, did you know that we deleted etc. and so on and so forth. And as you can see, after a few seconds, the message disappears completely. And now what you then want to do is, if you have a specific person which you would like to kind of give the permission to create polls to, okay, you can do that as well, and that's very good. So what you want to do is press the slash icon and type in whitelist/user and then simply the name. So I'm going to click on myself, press enter, and as you can see, I've now been added to the whitelist. And if I now try to create a poll, so let's try to create a poll, post. As you can see, the poll now remains in here, and yeah, it's perfectly fine. It works perfectly fine. Now, if you want to kind of revoke the permission and kind of ban or prevent the person from creating polls anymore, so let's say you have somebody in the whitelist and you want to kind of take that access from him, you want to just simply type in the exact same command yet again, so whitelist user and then instant how to, and then there we go. You want to click remove user over here. There we go. They can no longer create polls in your server. Now if I try to do it again and I type in something random, as you can see, I get the prevention message yet again, which will get deleted in a few seconds over here. Now, what's also important to say is that you can also whitelist. As you can see, you can whitelist a channel or a specific role. So you can make that a specific channel or a specific role is allowed to create polls, but not the other ones. And this is very, very handy, okay? And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you disable Discord polls or kind of block Discord polls on your server and manage them more easily. And I hope this video helped you out.